Morning everyone. So we are out on the lake this morning. We got out here well before sunrise and finally made it to our first spot. So I didn't even record anything this morning. It was just too dark to record. But we're gonna try some topwater this morning out in a few of these little cuts, and then I got some waypoints that are we're gonna be fishing a little bit deeper today. I'm gonna try fishing deeper and fish deep water that I never fish, and I try to keep it somewhere between 12 at the deepest, but today I think we're going to try it out to 15 to 30, so stick with me and hopefully we get a few. Wow, 8 foot out here. Okay. Man, I really would love a topwater bite. Might not happen in this 80-degree water temp, but it's shallow out here real quick. I have a that's a good one. Yeah, there we go. Nope. That's actually not a bad one. Not at all. Not at all a bad one. Finally we got a half decent one. And you know what? It's time to try out my live well. I have not tried it out, so we're gonna see if we can't get our best 5. Yay! Alright. Fishing this little bit right here and then pulling off the water for lunch. Probably come back out this evening and try again for a little bit. So let's see if we can't make anything happen here. You know, we're still fairly deep, so why not make it a... Yeah, a little bit closer to bottom. Might help. we're on one. Or I think, well, we were. Just a little guy. I don't even know if that's 12 inches. It's terrible. Dang, dude. Well, you weren't going anywhere. That's for sure. Let's see. Nope. About 8 inches. Well, at least we caught another one. All right. We broke a new scale out. Oh, is it gonna turn on? Turns on. Pounds and ounces. All right. Well, since I can only catch apparently one decent bass so far today, we're gonna see how much she weighs, or he weighs. Oh, come on, dude. Yep, I got you. Come on. All right. Feisty guy. All right, here we go. One and a half pounds. All right. 1.5 pounds. Not bad. Hopefully we can do better later. Thanks for the fight, guy. Go. We are back out from lunch, which is almost dinner time now. So I don't even know what that's got going on yet. It needs to calibrate itself, and soon. That's a bass, it's a good one. That's not a bass. Pretty sure that's a sauger. No, flathead. Not what I was expecting to catch today, but whatever. Nice flathead. No, I need my net. Man. You act like you've been caught before, little buddy. Not a bad little flathead though. Definitely was not expecting him on the old square bill, but solid little guy. He'll get bigger, buddy. Cool. Will say that is the not the first catfish of the year, but the first flathead I have caught this year. So that's kind of cool. Oh, that's terrible. Anyway. All right, well, got the boat loaded up and I had to change a tire. Not a tire, a tire. Yeah, so I was pulling out my phone. I don't know if it's on camera or not, but I went for a plunge in the Haw River, and needless to say, I lost my phone. So, that being said, it has gone to the Haw River forever. It was a half decent day of fishing. We caught a couple bass, caught one flathead. Man, what an evening. I guess I should have just went back to the house, but it is what it is. Get a new phone and yeah, get back after it for fishing on the next one. So y'all take care. Thanks for liking and subscribing to the videos and supporting the channel. See you on the next one.